The highlights of today's defense news, 26th of June 25. Reliance Defence secures 600 crore export order from Rheinmetall Germany. Safran to set up a unit in Hyderabad for new Rafale facility. BEL and VVDN ink MoU for joint manufacturing of Wi-Fi 5G networking subsystems. Balu Forge forms SPV with Swan Energy to jointly explore opportunities in railways, defense, and aerospace. Axiom partners with India's skyroot to boost access to low Earth orbit. 417 crore rupees electronics manufacturing cluster approved in Gautam Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. In the global highlights, Exail wins Indonesian Navy contract for mine warfare systems. US Navy seeks ultra-large submarine drone with extended endurance. And Washington startup validates 3D printed rocket engine for hypersonic defense applications. Let's have a look at the news from the Indian defense industry. Reliance Defence secured Rs 600 crore worth of export order from Germany's leading defence manufacturer Rheinmetall. Following its recently announced strategic partnership with Rheinmetall, this order is one of the largest contracts in the high-tech ammunition domain. Safran Aircraft Engines announced the setting up of a maintenance, repair and overhaul facility in Hyderabad. The facility is dedicated to the M88 engines of the company that are used in the Rafale fighter jet. While the facility will play a crucial role in supporting the maintenance of Rafale fighter aircraft purchased by the Air Force, the company is also targeting to meet the strong maintenance demands from its worldwide customers. Bharat Electronics has signed a memorandum of understanding with VVDN Technologies to collaborate on domestic manufacturing and technology development, aiming to enhance India's self-reliance in defense and professional electronics sectors. VVDN, recognized for its expertise in software, electronics, engineering, and product manufacturing, will join forces with BEL to accelerate indigenous design and manufacturing in cutting-edge technology domains. The strategic partnership will focus on the joint development and manufacturing of Wi-Fi and 5G based networking systems, which are crucial for advanced communication systems. In addition to these, the collaboration will cover software and networking solutions, radar technologies, and naval communication systems. The scope also extends to applications for Indian railways and other sectors, reflecting a comprehensive approach to strengthening India's technological capabilities across multiple industries. A word about VVDN Technologies. VVDN's India headquarters is Global Innovation Park at Manesar, Gurgaon, and its North America headquarters is located in Fremont, California. It is a Gurgaon-based product engineering and electronics manufacturing company that's made a mark in the global technology ecosystem. Founded in 2007, VVDN, short for Voice Video Data Network, specializes in end-to-end solutions across domains like 5G, data centers, networking and Wi-Fi, vision systems, automotive, IoT, and cloud applications. They have offices and design centers in the US, Canada, Europe, Vietnam, Korea, and Japan. They are a global provider of software, product engineering, electronics manufacturing services, and solutions. Leading precision engineering and manufacturing, Balu Forge Industries has signed a memorandum of understanding with Swan Energy, a diversified business conglomerate with interests for jointly exploring opportunities in defense, railways, and aerospace. The MoU is primarily aimed at forming a special purpose vehicle between BFIL and SPV and the consequent subscription of equity shares of SPV to be incorporated for the purpose of the proposed business venture. The collaboration will leverage the strengths of both BFIL and SEL to capture the growing global demands on railways, defense, and aerospace. Balu Forge will contribute around 40% to the SPV's initial share capital, while Swan will have the remaining 60% stake. The SPV will be focused on exploring potential for supplying products and solutions suitable for heavy industries related to global defense industry, aerospace, railways, and nuclear industries, and will benefit from the strategic guidance and support of both BFIL and SEL. The SPV will also focus on expanding its product and service offerings, enhancing its market position, and driving growth and profitability. Located on the west coast of India at Pipavav, Gujarat, Swan Defence and Heavy Industries Shipyard is a premier maritime facility offering comprehensive services in shipbuilding, ship repair, retrofit, and heavy fabrication. Axiom Space has signed a memorandum of understanding with Skyroot Aerospace to explore collaboration opportunities to advance space exploration and access to low Earth orbit. This collaboration further reinforces the growing cooperation between Axiom Space and the Indian space sector. Axiom Mission 4 AX4, which launched June 25th at 2:31 a.m., marks India's return to human space flight and the nation's first mission on board the International Space Station. With AX4, Axiom Space is laying the foundation for the construction and operation of Axiom Station, marking the US company as a leader in LEO. As Axiom Space develops a diverse and global supply chain, the company is strategically partnering with pioneering organizations like Skyroot Aerospace. Skyroot Aerospace is India's leading private space launch service provider and the first private company to launch a rocket to space in South Asia. As the first private space tech company to partner with ISRO, Skyroot is on a mission to make access to space affordable, reliable, and on demand. In 2022, Skyroot successfully launched Vikram S, and the team is now preparing to launch the Vikram 1 rocket, its maiden orbital class launch vehicle. The news from the electronics sector. Government of India approved the setting up of a 417 crore rupees electronics manufacturing cluster EMC 2.0 at Gautam Nagar, Uttar Pradesh to boost local manufacturing and innovation. The cluster will be spread over 200 acres and expected to attract 2,500 crore rupees in investment. This cluster will support manufacturing across key areas like consumer electronics, automotive and industrial electronics, medical devices, computer hardware, and communication equipment. Startups and MSMEs will be able to get world-class plug-and-play infrastructure and shared facilities. This includes standard factory sheds, electricity, water provisioning, sewage treatment, hostels, skill development centers, health centers, etc. This will help reduce infrastructure and logistics cost. Now, the global news. Exail, a global leader in robotics and maritime autonomy, has been selected to supply multiple unmanned surface vessels and mine identification and disposal systems to the Indonesian Navy, enabling a fully integrated unmanned mine countermeasure capability. The Exail contract with the Indonesian Navy for unmanned mine countermeasure systems is valued at approximately 25 million euros. This includes the delivery of the Inspector 90 USVs, C-SCAN and K-STER mine disposal systems, with deployments planned over a 3-year period. The contract covers the delivery of 4 Exail's Inspector 90 USVs, along with C-SCAN and K-STER mine identification and disposal systems. These advanced systems will be deployed from 2 new next-generation MCM motherships. All systems will be remotely operated from the mothership and coordinated through Exail Unified Command and Control Center. The C2 Center, powered by Umisoft software suite and installed in the ship's combat room, will provide integrated control software for both sweeping and hunting operations. Exail Umisoft software supports comprehensive mission planning, real-time supervision, multi-system coordination, and detailed post-mission analysis and data management. Exail is a French high-tech industrial group specializing in autonomous robotics, maritime systems, navigation, aerospace, and photonics technologies. It was formed in 2022 through the merger of ECA Group in and XBlue, both subsidiaries of Group Gauge. The U.S. Navy has posted a request for proposal for the development of an Ocean Explorer Large Underwater Vehicle (OEX) capable of long endurance operations. Revealed by the Office of Naval Research, the project requires an ultra large autonomous system designed for carrying a huge modular payload in extended ocean scale tasks. Tenders should include a full cost plan for the preliminary design phase, a detailed design option, and rapid prototype design and fabrication of the OEX. Submissions will be screened to establish the technical feasibility of the submarine drone and related performance with a payload module. Additional metrics will focus on the groundwork for operational and maintenance infrastructure required to support a potential OEX squadron. Industry partners interested in bidding on the effort can submit their full proposals until October 25 with white papers until July 25. Washington-based New Frontier Aerospace has completed tests of its 3D printing Mjolnir rocket engine in support of future defense hypersonic programs. The project is part of the Defense Innovation Unit's National Security Innovation Capital Initiative, leveraging partnerships with seed stage firms to accelerate next generation innovations for defense. NFA's Mjolnir propulsion uses pumps to inject liquid propellants from the tanks into the combustion chamber where they are mixed and ignited to provide thrust for the vehicle. The engine's full flow combustion cycle design promotes optimized and efficient performance by integrating propellants such as fuels and oxidizers in a compact, highly pressurized space. Mjolnir uses clean liquid natural gas that supports low emissions, making it a suitable option for carbon negative operations of hypersonic vehicles, rockets, orbital transfer spacecraft, and other reusable platforms. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.